Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss introduction to Viva CRM. So Viva CRM, just like other customer relationship management, it is basically used for life science and pharmaceutical companies. And again, it plays a very important role in life science and pharmaceutical companies for tracking their sales and marketing activities. So Viva CRM basically it is a software, or you can say software as a service that provides all the necessary tools that are required to manage all the interaction with the healthcare professionals. We have sales representatives who can manage their sales activity, who can track their sales activity, they can schedule their sales activity, and also the very important part of Viva CRM is it has a very important feature of tracking and reporting. So every time, whenever there is an interaction of the sales rep with the healthcare professional, based upon the interaction, based upon the slides that are being presented to the healthcare, the feedback that is provided for each slides, each message, that is very useful in creating a personalized view, a personalized call record for healthcare professionals. So, if you talk about a definition of Viva CRM, again, it is a customer relationship management software and it is specifically designed for life science and pharmaceutical industries. So, all their sales and marketing activities, it is completely taken care by Viva CRM. And apart from this, the all the regulatory things, compliance things, those are also part of this Viva CRM, and those are also taken care using Viva CRM. And it is one stop customer relationship management for pharmaceutical and life science. The main benefits, if you talk about Viva CRM, is enhanced customer engagement. So Viva CRM, it enables pharmaceutical companies to have a holistic view of their customers. And once you have the holistic view of the customer, you can provide personalized and targeted interaction. So it's very important that whatever presentation, whatever EDA you are going to present to the client, to the healthcare professional, it should be the sequence of those, the messaging should be such that it is as per the healthcare professional. So or it provides all the tools through which you can do the sequencing, you can give a personalized customer experience to the healthcare professionals. Then Salesforce effectiveness. Now the second part and the most important part in healthcare and pharmaceutical companies is the role of sales rep. It provides all the necessary tools through which a sales force can schedule the meeting, schedule follow ups, then he can make sure that he can manage the territories, and then based upon the feedback, the sales representative he can update the marketing team, and then they can update the messaging, they can update the message that is to be provided to the healthcare professionals. So it provides sales representative with the necessary tools to plan. First they can plan, like if they have multiple healthcare professionals to whom they have to meet, they can plan and execute their sales activity more efficiently. Then in pharma and life sciences, compliance and regulatory, it is very important. It's not like other industries in which there it's not, in which compliance and regulatory is not that much strict. So Viva CRM is basically designed to meet the strict regulatory requirements of the pharmaceutical industries, so that whatever documents, whatever messages that are being there, those are compliance to the pharmaceutical industries. And the most important part is whatever things that is performed, whether we are sending an one-to-one email to the healthcare professional or we are showing them some key messages in forms of slides. So everything, for each and every action, for each and every item that we are doing, we have a full-fledged reporting and analytics system that allows us to keep updating our documents, keep updating our EDAs, so that it's very easy for the sales rep to provide a personalized view for the healthcare. And in the next meeting, it's very straightforward and the conversion is seamless. Conversion can be done based upon the documents, based upon the slides that is there, plus the sequencing of the slides based upon the details that sales rep has for that particular healthcare professional. So enhance customer engagement every time, like we have details of each and every healthcare professionals through analytics and reporting. We keep upgrading our documents, we keep upgrading our messagings, and then it has all the compliance and regulatory support. It provides all the multi-channel consent. So the moment a healthcare professional says that they don't want to have a phone call or SMS or WhatsApp or email, so these all things are being taken care by the Viva CRM environment. So if by mistake, if you are going to send an email to a HCP who has opt out for that particular channel, because already it is providing multiple channels, so in that case it will be the system, it will be the CRM tool that will restrict, that will not allow that particular email to be sent. Just like in other marketing tools that we use, they have also these mechanism where if a person has opt out, he will not be allowed to connect. And even like if you see in Viva CRM, that is again built on Salesforce CRM, so the sales representative, they can contact using emails, they can contact the healthcare professionals using phone. So consent is very important to meet the compliance regulatory. So friends, this was all about introduction to Viva CRM and its features. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.